We're going to do in this little tape the recording of that 3/4 time. That's a musical term. It's if that needs to be reviewed. That means there's 3 beats, patterns of 3 beats repeating. So what we're going to do is play the F for 3 beats and the other one for 3 beats and back, similar to what we just did in that kind of overall warm-up, but we're going to be really precise about the beating business because we're going to see where we move. So squeeze close, 2, 3, squeeze close, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. So close, 2, 3, close, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. So the back was kind of fast, but it involved falling open like this. I'll go back a little bit slower this time. Close, 2, 3, close, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. And you can get Haley to demonstrate for you in the class, and you can do this at home by yourself. So the more experienced you are, the more you could play it like this. I could go way out here, stretching that out as much as I could, and then come back. But at first, we have to do a little more practice of matching up our opening and eyeballing where we're going to land. Remember, we've got the curve in. We can also do this with the 3rd finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. So when you're practicing at home, you can do this many times, many more than the recording. Although, if it's possible to put your recording in the same place as your practice, then you can do some along with me. We can use the 4th finger, which we didn't do on last Thursday, but you could start this week. 4 comes in, 4 comes in, and you notice that little knuckle bend. It's kind of important. You don't want to flip back if at all possible. So it's like I was pressing in with a little arch. Oh, I don't think you're going to see it on my knee. Press in and then lift up, and the arch is gone. Your finger straightens up much more. Press, press. And remember F, G, A, B, C, the Red Sea. We shall cross the Red Sea many times. Here we are crossing. I know I'm using a different pattern now, so let's not be silly. All right, in fact, let's practice that pattern. That's the pattern that says close, move, open. Close, move, open. Which we did at the end of the day. Close, move, but we did with any strings. Now I'm being picky to only land on the Red Sea. Move, open. 1, 2, 3. Noticing that we're closing, moving with a closed hand, and exactly on beat 3, we move open. And so on.